Next we put 2 blue pieces, then 1 green, next 5 yellow, then 1 green, and next 2 blue. From now we will not close anymore like this, we will decrease, and we have every row a free edge here and another one here. And very simple, we repeat: 2 yellow, 2 blue, 1 green, 2 blue here, 1 green, and this we maintain like this, and we complete the rest of the row with yellow pieces. Then again 2 blue, 1 green, 3 yellow, 1 green, 2 blue, next row 2 blue, 1 green, 2 yellow, 1 green, and 2 blue. Next we put 2 blue pieces, then 1 green, 1 yellow, 1 green, and then 2 blue, like this. Next 2 blue, 2 red, 2 green, sorry, and 2 blue. Next 2 blue, 1 green, and another 2 blue. Next row 4 blue pieces. Next we increase like this, and we put in total 5 blue pieces, then 4, then 3, and then again 4, like this. Next we will finish the tail, and we put 1 blue piece here and another one here, and then like this. See? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay. Next we put here in the middle, in row, in total 8 pieces. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here we repeat this part. Like this. Okay, we finish this wing part and the tail, and you can see our parrot look very well, pretty nice I can say. And now we must continue with this lower part, and this will be a little complicated, but I will show you step by step. Next we put here 5 red pieces. Do not forget to glue like this. And then we put inverted pieces, one here like this, and another one in the other part inverted, and between them 4 normal pieces. Now we repeat exactly the same. We put 5 red pieces, normal pieces, and then we put one inverted here and another one here like this, and between these two inverted pieces we complete with red pieces. Next we put 5 pieces like this, and then we put 2 inverted pieces here and here, and then one normal here, another one normal here, and we will let space for the legs, and we put a piece like this. Next we put one red here and another one here like this. and we repeat in the other part. And here we have space for the legs. Next, we will increase here at the end with inverted pieces. Like this. You can pull this. If you glue well, it is not danger to broke the model. Okay, you can. Next, we put normal red pieces, and in total we put 6 pieces. And then we increase another time with inverted pieces, like this, in both sides. Next, we put 7 normal red piece, like this. And from now we will decrease the number of pieces. Sorry. Next row 6. Then 5. Four. 3. Now we increase here with 1 piece like this, and in the other part in the same way. And then we put 4 red pieces, and then 3. Like this. And at the end another 2. Okay, this is our parrot, and now we make the beak, and for this we take a piece and connect with another 2, glue very well, like this, and then 1 orange, like this. And these pieces we glue here, like this. And this is my parrot. I will make some little legs. I will make them from very small pieces. For the legs, I decide for the moment to make very simple legs. I connect 3 pieces like this. 2 are very small pieces, orange pieces, and 1 small piece. And I will glue like this on my parrot. I want next week to make a cage, a bird cage for this parrot, and probably then I will change the legs, but for the moment I want to keep them as simple as I can. Okay, see, our parrot is finished. I hope it is not too difficult.